Here I have LANDVO Rino4 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. Firstly, you should open settings, then you should go to more settings, then go to tethering and portable hotspot, and here you can enable Wi-Fi hotspot. So here you can set it up, but you can only set it up while it's disabled, I guess. Okay, you can set it up here, so you can keep it on always or turn off when idle for 5 minutes. You can also change its name, security protocol, change its password, you can reset its SSID, set up maximum amount of allowed connections. You can also set up GPS connect, bandwidth usage, and here you can see connected and blocked users. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.